How to find cheapest Airbnb dates 2026. To find the absolute cheapest Airbnb dates, you have to travel during the off season, which is January, February, or September to October, in many reasons, and book exactly 3 to 4 weeks out because this allows you to get a huge chunk of discount on bookings which has longer days. So go ahead and launch the Airbnb application first of all, then tap on this search bar, type in your destinations over here. Within the when option, go ahead and select the off seasons. Once you select a huge chunk of date or exactly 1 month or more than 2 weeks, you simply have to tap next and select the number of people, tap search. You will find a huge discounted stays over here. Or what you can also do is tap on this filter icon and readjust your price range by dragging the slider down and then tap on this show option. And this is how you can find the cheapest Airbnb. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.